Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS gameplay demonstration in the Realme X2 Pro device. So right now, as you can see, friends, this is the Realme X2 Pro which I'm trying to use, which has got the Snapdragon 855 plus chipset in this device, so which is really fantastic, friends. And only few phones right now from the Realme are able to support the 90 FPS, not all of them. So that's something you should definitely remember regarding the support as well. Let me to exactly show you what's the graphic settings right now I'm trying to use. So is a quick look at the graphic settings. You can clearly see, friends, 90 FPS. You do have the option enabled in the compact and lobby. And let me to start the quick match. I'll try to play only just normal a couple of minutes of gameplay. So just to show you the 90 FPS is working or not. So right now you can clearly see, friends, we are getting 90 FPS, 89 FPS. So not much problems, yes. So I did like this Realme X2 Pro device, friends, even though the phone is of 2 years old mobile phone, but still I would say this really the beast one in the 2022 as well. So with respect to the display and the charging speed, these two things are really very good, even performance also. The few things which I did like in this device especially, so which makes this phone really unique when compared with other smartphones. As you can clearly see, friends, which is pretty good, and you can see the real-time FPS meter. Since this is a Realme UI 2.0, we need to rely on this bar. So in the 3.0 we do have the floating FPS meter, but in this 2.0 we are having this FPS bar, so which we cannot monitor every time. Something you should know about this Realme X2 Pro device. So in case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below, friends. And overall, I was able to play at 90 FPS without any kind of much issues at this moment. And heating problems, yes, there will be a little bit of heating as well. So this is a quick gameplay experience which I'm trying to show you. So 90 FPS, it's pretty good possible. And clearly see, friends, not bad. Only the thing is that touch sampling rate could have been slightly kind of more for better experience, I would say. Regarding the gaming, that's something you should know. And let's try to do maybe a normal classic match test, maybe if possible. So right now let's see, friends, how is FPS drop test as well, exactly what's happening here. I'll try to do the quick FPS drop test. Not bad. So overall it's kind of very smooth as well, as you can see. So not much problems. So right now you can see the real-time FPS meter, how much we are getting exactly. It's meeting about 79, not bad. FPS count 87, it dropped to 87 little bit, 85. And during this process of testing, yes, there is some kind of heating detected, 36.8 degrees Celsius. So overall, friends, is a quick Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test review on the Realme X2 Pro device. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off, friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates in case if you have any other questions. Meanwhile, signing off. Until then, bye.